back to Ice Pony Videos. I hope y'all are all staying safe from COVID-19 and staying really healthy. And hope using your time really proactively. I find cooking really relaxing, so I'll keep on sharing videos with you. Today we're going to be making caramel glazed blondies. I will be sharing ingredients in two parts today, one for the blondies and one for the caramel glaze. We will start with the blondies. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter melted, 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 large egg, 3 pinches of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder and some vanilla extract. 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, and some vanilla extract. I've set my oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, I'm going to make the blondies. We're going to whisk the salt, baking powder, and the flour with the whisk, and later add the egg and vanilla until smooth. I'm going to mix the dark brown sugar into the butter. Once this mixture is completely blended, I'm going to put it in the microwave for about a minute to make it completely smooth. Now we're going to mix the butter mixture into the flour mixture. Please ask a parent to do this because your bowl will be really hot. My blondie mixture is ready. As you can see, it is really smooth. Now I'm going to spray an 8-inch pan I'm going to use. I poured my blondie mixture into a pan. You can use a tinier pan if you like, and your blondies will be thicker than mine. Now, as you can see, it is evenly spread. It isn't all clumped up into one place. We're going to bake our blondies for 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. Please insert a toothpick before you take it out and make sure nothing sticks. I've gotten a saucepan ready on the stove. Now I'm going to mix the heavy cream, butter, and dark brown sugar. Ask a parent to stir this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's boiled. Now it's boiling and I'm going to keep mixing it for about 2 more minutes. Let this mixture cool down completely, then stir in the powdered sugar and vanilla. The blondies are ready. Now we're going to have to let them cool completely. The caramel glaze is ready. As you can see, it is really smooth. Now I'm going to mix the powdered sugar and the vanilla. Mix this well. I'm going to pour the caramel glaze onto the blondies. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. I iced the caramel glazed blondies and let them sit in the fridge for about 20 minutes. I took them out and cut them into pieces. You can cut the pieces as big or small as you like. Time to try it. They're so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.